it's Megan with WTI, and if you're like me and you still enjoy those jelly desserts like we all had during our childhood, but you'd like to avoid the sugar, then maybe you would enjoy this Simply Delish Peach Jel dessert. This is completely sugar-free, but it tastes almost exactly like the gel dessert that I know and love from when I was a kid. I really enjoy peach flavored things, and to me, this really hits the spot. If you've ever prepared a gel dessert in the past, then this is exactly the same as that. I just cut open the pouch of the powdered mix inside, and I dissolve it in a little bit of cold water, and then I add the rest of hot water. I like to put mine in fancy looking glasses. After it cools at room temperature, I just stick it in the fridge for 60 minutes. This dessert sets up really, really well, exactly like the gel desserts that we're all familiar with. I like to add a little whipped cream on top because you know I love my peaches and cream. I find it to be just a really delightful little treat. I really enjoy the texture and flavor of this Simply Delish Jel dessert, and even though it's sugar-free and gelatin-free, it makes me feel like I'm not missing out on anything. And that's my point of view.